students, welcome to Vidya Myriad. This video is made for class 8 on chapter number 6, squares and square roots, and today we are going to begin with exercise 6.4. Now this exercise is based on finding the square roots using long division method, and for that the concept video has already been posted. Please watch that video thoroughly so that you can do this exercise easily. Let's begin with question number 1. Find the square root of each of the following numbers by long division method. The number given is 2304. In earlier exercises, we were finding with the help of prime factorization method. Now you will be learning a new method, which is a long division method, and video has already been posted on this in details, and you can very easily understand that concept. Once you understand that, this exercise you will find it very easy and very quickly you will be able to find the square roots. Let's begin with the first part. The number given is 2304. Now first of all, as per the rules, we know that it is an even number and we have to put line on the pairs from the left hand side. That means I will put line on 04 and 23. So there are two pairs in this. I will start with 23. So I need to find out on which square it is near or equal to 23. We can see that 4 4s is 16, 5 5s is 25. So I will consider 4 4s 16 as the number needs to be smaller or equal to that number. After doing that, 23 minus 16, it becomes 7 and you will put down 04. So 704 will be your remaining part. And on your left hand side, see the blue arrow. 4 plus 4 we will do here, that is 8. And the next, again I have to look for the pair where I can get the number as 704. Now since I want 4 at its units place, so I need to see what can be the possible squares where 4 can come. Either 2 2s of 4 it is there, or 8 8s are 64. So since the number is 704 I want, I can try with 88 into 8, which will give me 704 and remainder will come as 0. So square root of 2304 will come out as 48. Next, 4489. So pair is 44 and 89 since it is an even number. So let me see for the 44 where it will fall. It will come as 6 6 are 36. On subtracting I get 8 and I will pull down 89. So 889. On my left hand side blue part you will see, you will do 6 plus 6 12, and then I have to find out which pair I will get 9 at the end. Either it is 3 3s are 9 or it is 7 7s are 49. So I want 889. So I can try with 127 into 7. I will get 889. Remainder gets 0. So square root of 4489 comes at 67. Next number is 3481. Again it is an even number. So my pair is 34 and 81. So 34 I will do for 5 into 5 25, and below I will do 5 plus 5, which will be 10. So I need number as 981. Where will 1 come? Either 1 into 1 or 9 into 9, 81. So I will be probably doing 109 multiply by 9. It will give me 981. So square root of 3481 gives me 59. Next number is 529. Now this is an odd number. So what will be the pair? I have to start from the left. So 29 is one pair. I will put a line on it and remaining will be 5. So I need to find out the square nearby 5. That is 2 2s are 4 and 2 plus 2 is also 4 below the blue box if you see. Now after 5 minus 4 is 1 and I will bring down 29. I need 9 at the end. So your 3 into 3 is 9. So I will try 43 into 3, 129. Remainder is 0. So square root of 529 is 23. Next, 3249. Even number, both are the pairs 32 and 49. So nearby 32 is 25. 5 5s are 25 and 5 plus 5 is 10. So 32 minus 25 is 7, and I will bring down 49, 749. I need 9 at the end. So 9 probable case is 3 into 3 or 7 into 7. Since I want 749, I can quickly do 107 into 7. That will give me 749. Remainder is 0 here. So square root of 3249 is 57. Next, 1369. So pairs are 13 and 69. Nearby 13, I have 3 into 3, 9. 3 plus 3 is 6. 13 minus 9 is 4, and bring down 69. 469 I want now. Again I want 9 at the end. So I will try probably 67 into 7, that is 469. Remainder here comes as 0. So square root of 1369 gives me 37. Next, 5776. So 57 one pair, 76 another pair. Nearby 57 I have 49. 7 sevens are 49, and 7 plus 7 is 14. So 57 minus 49, it will give me 8, and bring down 76. So 876 is the number I have to find. 6 at the end. So that is probable 14. 6 multiply by 6. 6 is 36, and total you get 876. So square root of 5776 is 76. Next, 7921. 2 pairs, 79 and 21. Where will 79 nearby number? 8 8s are 64, and 8 plus 8 is 16. So you can see the arrows, and you can probably now must have found it very easy till now. So try doing practice. No need to write these squares on the side. This is just written for your convenience. You should know these squares in your mind, and quickly you can do it. So I want 1521. Where will 1 come? 1 comes in 1 into 1 1, or 9 into 9 81. So 169 into 9 gives me 1521. Remainder comes as 0. So square root of 7921 gives me 89. Next, 576. It's an odd number, so 76 will be one pair from my moving towards my left, and 5 is alone. For 5, nearby is 4. 2 into 2 4, and 2 plus 2 is also 4. I want 176 after that, and that will come as 44 into 4, that is 176. So square root of 576 gives me 24. Next, 1024. So 2 pairs, 10 and 24. So 10 nearby is 3 into 3 9. 3 plus 3 is 6. So that gives me 124 I want now. Now 62 into 2 is 124. So square root of 1024 is 32. Next, 3136. So 31 is first pair, and 36 is another pair. Nearby 31 is 25. 5 into 5 25, and 5 plus 5 is 10. So 31 minus 25 gives you 6. Bring down 36. The number is 636. I want 6 at the end. That can be given on 4 into 4 or 6 into 6. So 106 into 6 I will do. I will get 636. Remainder comes as 0. Square root of 3136 is 56. Next, 900. Now 900 pair is 0 0 is one pair, and 9 is alone. Where is 9? 9 is the exact of 3 into 3. So I will write 3 into 3 9, that is 0, and I will bring down zeros. So 1 0 will go up. In that case 30 into 30 is 900. Question number 2. Find the number of digits in the square root of each of the following numbers without any calculations. Now we have a rule over here. We will just count the number of digits, that will be n. So that n, if it is even, I will do n by 2, and if it is odd, I will do n plus 1 by 2 to find out the number of digits. Now for the first case, I have 64. So here total number of digits are 2, and 2 is an even number. So how will I find the number of digits in square root of 64? It will be n by 2, that is 2 upon 2, that is only 1. You can even get this idea. 8 into 8 is 64. So there is only one number 8. Next, 144. It's a 3 digit. 3 digit means odd number. So I will do n plus 1 upon 2, that is 3 plus 1 upon 2, 4 upon 2, which gives me 2. So 144 will have the answer as 2 digit number, and you know square root of 144 is 12. If you remember the squares, then 12 is a 2 digit number. So you can cross verify your answer also. Next, 4489, 4 digit number, even number has to be divided by 2, that is 4 upon 2. So it will be 2 digit number. 27225, it's a 5 digits, that means it is the odd number. So I will do 5 plus 1 upon 2, which comes at 6 upon 2, which is 3 digits it will have. 390625, it is 6 digit number, even number. So 6 upon 2, that is 3. Question number 3. Find the square roots of the following decimal numbers. Now same way what we have done in the earlier questions, we are going to apply the same method here. Now the only difference is you have to take care of the decimal. From the decimal you will move towards left hand side, and from the decimal you need to move right hand side. So you need to put pairs or the line accordingly. Now the number given to you as 2.56. So decimal left hand side only 2 is there, so single line, and decimal right hand side we have 56, so I will make one pair of 56. So we will do it in the same way. I am not writing the squares here. By now you must have learnt these squares, so we will quickly do it now. So nearby 2 will be 1 into 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2. I want 2 minus 1 is 1. I will bring 56 down and put decimal after 1 point, and I have to find out what is the next number. I want 6 at the end, so it can be probably 26 into 6, that is 156. So square root of 2.56 gives me 1.6. Please remember to put the decimal whenever that stage comes. Next number is 7.29. So there will be a bar on 7 and there will be bar on 29. So nearby 7 is 2 into 2, 4. Next step will be 2 plus 2, 4. So 7 minus 4 is 3. Bring down 29, 329. And on the quotient case you will put decimal 2 point, and then we will decide. Now we want 9, so 7 7s are 49, I can try that. So 47 into 7 is 329, remainder comes as 0. So square root of 7.29 gives me 2.7. Next, 51.84. So there are two pairs. On the left there is 51 and on the right there is 84. So 51 nearby is 7 7s are 49 and 7 plus 7 is 14. 51 minus 49 is 2. Bring down 84. Now I need 284. So 4 will come on, 2 2s are 4. So 142 into 2, 284. So square root of 51.84 gives me 7.2. Next, 42.25. 42 the first pair, 25 the second pair. So nearby 42 is 6 6 are 36 and 6 plus 6 is 12. 42 minus 36 gives me 6, and I have to bring down 25 down. Up on the quotient I will put decimal 6 point. Now 6 plus 6 is 12. I need 625, so 5 will come only on 5. 125 into 5 gives me 625, so remainder is 0. So square root of 42.25 gives me 6.5. Next, 31.36. So pair is 31 and 36. 31 nearby is 5 5s are 25 and 5 plus 5 is 10. 31 minus 25 gives me 6. Bring down 36 and put decimal in the quotient after 5. So now 5 plus 5 is 10. I want 6 at the units place. So 106 into 6, I can get 636. Remainder comes as 0. So square root of 31.36 gives me 5.6. Question number 4. Find the least number which must be subtracted from each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtained. The The number given to us is 402. So we have a pair of 0, 2 and 4. This will go on 2 into 2 is 4 and 2 plus 2 is 4. Remainder is 0, 2. So what we will do is whatever remainder we will have for a subtraction case, we will just subtract it from the main number. What is your number? 402. What is your remainder? 2. Just subtract it, you get 400. And what is the square root of 400? The number which is there in your quotient, that is 20. So 400 square root will be 20. Next, 1989. So pair is 19 and 89. 19 will go at 4 into 4, 16. So 19 minus 16 is 3. Bring down 89, 389, and 4 plus 4 is 8. So 8 and nearby I will see it will go on 84 into 4, that will give me 336. Remainder comes as 53. Now I need to subtract 1989 with 53. I will get 1936. Its square root will be 44. Next, 3250. Now 3250, the pair is 32 and 50. So 5 into 5 is 25 and 5 plus 5 is 10. 32 minus 25 is 7. Bring down 50. I need 750. So for that, nearby is 107 into 7. That gives me 749. Remainder is 1. So I need to subtract 1 from 3250, which is 3249. Its square root will be 57. The number which is there in the quotient, that is your answer. Next, 825. So pair is 25 and 8. Nearby 8 is 2 2s are 4. I will do 8 minus 4 is 4. Bring down 25. I need 425. And 2 plus 2 is 4. So nearby is 48 into 8, 384. Remainder come as 41. So I will subtract 41 from 825. I will get 784. So the number square root will be, square root of 784 will be 28. Next, 4000. So 0 0 pair and 4 0 pair. So 4 4s are 36. 40 minus 36 is 4. Bring down 0 0, 400. 6 plus 6 is 12. So 123 into 3 if I do, I get 369. Remainder comes as 31. So I will subtract 4000 minus 31. That will give me 3969, whose square root is 63. Question number 5. Find the least number which must be added to each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtained. Now this is little different for what we have done earlier. When we have to subtract, we will just subtract the remainder, okay? But when we have to add, we will look into the quotient part or the answer part which is there in our division. Now let us try 525. Now the pair is 25 and 5 is alone. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 plus 2 is 4. It gives me 5 minus 4, 125. I will do 42 into 2 gives me 84. Remainder comes as 41. Now I want to add. That means 525 is a number. I want to add something in 525 so that I get the perfect square of a number. Now you see on the quotient we have 22. That means you have remainder left. That means 22 square is less than 525. So I will try to find the next number. After 22, what is the next number? 23. Do 23 square. 23 into 23 is 529. Now 525 is already in the quotient. So what should I add in 525? That I should get 529. I will add 4. Just subtract 529 minus 524. It will give me 4. So 4 is the number which needs to be added in 525. It will become 529 and square root of 529 is 23. Next number, 1750. So the pair is 17 and 50. 4 4s are 16. So 7 minus 6, when I do 1, 50 will come down. 4 plus 4 is 8. 81, it is there. 150 minus 81 gives me 69. So remainder here is 69. That means I will try a number which is more than 41. So I will do 41 square, 42 square, more than 41, that is 42, plus 1 I will do. So 42 square is 1764. So what is the difference between 1764 and 1750? It is 14. So I will add 14 in 1750. I will get 1760. So the square root of 1764 is 42. Next number, 252. So 52 is one pair and 2 is another. We will try with 1 into 1. It will come 2 minus 1 is 1. I will bring down 52 and 1 plus 1 is 2. So I will go nearby 152, that is 25 into 5 gives me 125 and remainder comes as 27. Now on my quotient I have 15. So I want more than 15. Next number will be 16. I will do 16 square, that is 256. Now subtract 256 and 252, you will get 4. So 4 is a number which needs to be added in 252 and the square root of 256 will be 16. Next number, 1825. So pair is 18 and 25. We will try with 4 into 4 16 and 4 plus 4 is 8. 18 minus 16 is 2. Bring down 25. So 225 I want, and nearby 225 gives me 82 into 2, that is 164. Remainder comes as 61. Now look into the quotient, that is 42. I will try its next number, that is 43. 43 into 43 is 1849. And difference between 1849 and 1825 is 24. So 24 is a number which needs to be added in order to get a perfect square. So square root of 1849 is 43. Next, 6412. So pair is 64 and 12. Now 64 I know, 8 into 8 is 64 and 8 plus 8 is 16. So I will bring down 12. It will not go, it will go on 0 only, that is 80. So I will try the next number, 81. 81 into 81 is 6561. Difference between 6561 and 6412 is 149. So what I will do is square root of 6561 gives me 81 and the number which has to be added is 149. Question number 6. Find the length of the side of a square whose area is 441 meters square. Now we know the formula for the area of a square, that is side square, and let us assume side as x. So side square means x square. X square is given to us as 441. That means I need to find out the square root of 441. So I will use my long division method trick only. So 441, 41 is one pair and 4 is another pair. 4 will go on 2 into 2, 4. Bring down 41. 2 plus 2 is 4 and it will go on 1. So that means my square root of 441 is 21. So length of the side of the square is 21 meters. Next, in a right angle triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree, AB is given as 6, BC is given as 8, find AC. So we know we can find out the third side whichever in a right angle triangle using the Pythagoras theorem. We know hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So hypotenuse is AC square, we need to find out. So we will do 6 square plus 8 square, that is 36 plus 84, which is 100. We will find out the square root of 100, which is 10. So AC is 10 centimeters. Next, we have given hypotenuse, we have given the base, we have to find out the perpendicular. We will be using the Pythagoras only, that is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, which is 13 square is equal to AB square plus 5 square. 13 into 13 is 169, 5 into 5 is 25. So 169 minus 25 is 144. This 144 is equal to AB square. But I want only AB. That means I will do the square root of 144. You can do it on your rough column or only main side using long division, but these small numbers, squares, you should know by heart. At least till 20 or 25 numbers, your squares should be by heart. So we know 12 into 12 is 144, so AB is 12 centimeters. A gardener has 1000 plants. He wants to plant these in such a way that the number of rows and the number of columns remains the same. Find the minimum number of plants. He needs more for this. He needs more means we need to find out a number what should be added in 1000 to get the proper equal number of rows and columns. So we will find out the square root first of 1000. We will see we get 39 as a remainder and 31 as my quotient. So what I will do, I have to use my rule for adding. For adding I will do 32 square now. 32 square is 1024. So 1024 minus 1000 is 24. That means minimum number of plants that is required by him will be 24 to get a perfect equal number of rows and columns. There are 500 children in a school. For a PT drill, they have to stand in such a manner that the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. How many children would be left out in this arrangement? Left out, that means we have to find the remainder. So let's see the square root of 500. So 2 into 2 is 4 and 2 plus 2 is 4. When I do that, 42 into 2 I get 84. Remainder comes as 16. So what is the remaining number of children which is left out? That is 16. And now to find out the perfect number, 500 minus 16 I will do, that is 484, and square root of 484 is 22. So 16 students will be left out in this arrangement. That's all for this exercise, children. This was very easy exercise actually. You have to just remember the concept of long division and it will be useful for your future classes also. Please practice plenty of questions so that you are strong in this concept. So when you go in 9th or when you go in 10th or higher, maybe higher classes, so you should be strong in this to find out the square roots. Don't forget it. Do lots of practice. Still, if you have doubt, please mention in the comment section or you can also email me. I will give you the clip for the previous videos so that if you have not seen, you can see it now and make your concept strong. Thank you so much, children, for watching the video till the end. Very soon I am going to come with the next. Till then, see you children. Goodbye and take care.